Yeah.
The baby one, a grandchild, yeah. Two adopted child, okay? This one and Nina, adopted child. The male one, yeah, her son.
They're quite protective.
Yeah, for them social animal, they love each other.
How long for the young boy? How long before then would he stay with the herd? Or
Oh yeah,
because you said the adult male.
so male, yeah. So actually we can they put together, yeah.
They'll stay.
Oh, yeah, together. But when they grow up more, we gonna have to move them. Yeah, make, yeah, different family. Yeah, different family. All
How old is that?
yeah, around the base about 19,